What's up, my beautiful peacock flock? I'm Drew Peacock. I haven't made a video in probably a few days. I'm still very sick. It just hurts to talk. I have blisters on the inside of my lips and my throat is just killing me, but I need to make a video. I gotta crank out some, so I'm a little bit better today. I'm gonna make one, make some more over the weekend, and let's just dive right in. We got shitty car mods on Reddit. You guys like this shit. Wow, my lips hurt. Alright, I'm gonna go in no particular order, except I'm gonna end towards the top, but I just click around. Whatever title and thumbnail looks interesting, then I'm gonna click on. So, this is what peak performance looks like. Peak performance. Let's see. Alright, we got the Lexus IS 250. And, well, he's not a part of the big Wang gang. He has a little spoiler, so nothing too crazy here. Can't obviously flame them up or anything like that. It's just for gags. You know, they're cool. I just wouldn't tack it on my car. It just like devalues it by like half of its worth. So it is what it is though. Have fun with your car. Ultimate drag reduction update. Alright, yep, there you go. So nothing, again, nothing too crazy, just little gimmicks. Walking out today, I was greeted by this limited edition masterpiece. Look at that. Alright, I'm not a huge fan of the PT Cruiser. If you guys have seen my other videos, I kind of bash on them a lot. This one, although, like, it's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie, okay? I wouldn't, you know, drive it, own it, you know, partake in anything to do with it, but it is kind of cool. If it got rid of some of this lame gimmicky shit like this, the taillights, I'd rock the taillights. Taillights are pretty cool. The whole over wheel, I don't know what it's called, man. This retro styling of like a 1950s car, it looks pretty cool. Okay, now it's not done the greatest. A lot of it does look nice, but like you see, we got some gaps right here. I know this gap has to be here because of the whole fuel door and stuff like that, but it's not the worst. It's got weather guards. That's a bit I don't know, that's a bit out there. I don't know, that might be the line right there. I draw the line at weather guards. You don't put weather guards on this, but overall, I can respect what they were going for. It's pretty cool. He took it up 10 notches. It looks pretty dope. I do like the little fake wheel right here. This little side trim right here looks pretty cool. The little wheel thing. I mean, this, I don't think there's a kit for this. At least, I would hope not, because that means that there's a large market for it. And that means that I should see one. But it is what it is. We've reached max donk. Yep. That's like donk mixed with rice right there, okay? We got the police interceptor right here, or Queen Victoria herself. I know that's not what it's called. I just like calling it that. We got the wing, of course. We got these weird deep dish yellow wheels, and they don't even match. I don't know why. You got chrome and yellow in the back and all black up front. This is like Bumblebee's ghetto little cousin, like from the hood, okay? It's a car. It rolls. It obviously works. I don't think this wing is very functional. The side decals and stuff, cheaply done. The paint and body just looks like ass. This whole wheel setup is just kind of trash, but it works. It's a car, and I'm sure it's the only one of its kind for good reason, so there's that. And yes, it comes with a working tail instead of a back wiper. Alright, I'm expecting some sort of animal. Yep, and there we go. Some sort of dumb looking animal. Okay, so again, not much to say here. I could just only imagine when it rains or when it gets dirty or when you have to clean it. Like, what do you have to do? Do you have to like take it off and throw it in a washing machine? Do you throw it in the dishwasher? Do you just power wash that bitch? I mean, I don't know. I can't picture there's good airflow too. I see there's little holes here, but I can't picture that that's like super good airflow. I can't picture that this thing also weighs like nothing. This thing is, you know, it's carpet. Carpet's heavy. So the MPGs are down. I'm impressed how it's on the wheels. I am impressed by that. I don't know how it's sticking, but it works. But yeah, I mean, if you have a little dog shaving business or something like that, or you just kidnap dogs, I mean, just something weird like that, this would be a cool little addition to your garage. It exists. This whole subreddit can just be called "It Exists," and like it fit for like all these. I'm sort of conflicted on this one. I mean, it looks like it started as a PT Cruiser. All right, we got another PT Cruiser. So it seems more like an improvement. Okay. Okay. Well, here we go. This is a little 6th grader's PT Cruiser. You know, Jimmy asked his mom after soccer practice one day, like, yo, like, can I put my touches on the PT Cruiser? And she said, yeah. And so he went balls out, this like Mad Max looking thing. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the worst thing I've seen, okay? It's way better than the old like 50s PT Cruiser, and it's better than the dog car for sure. The skulls are a bit much. Take off the skulls. Yeah, take off the skulls. You got way too many skulls. You got 6 skulls I see just in this picture alone. Take off the skulls Okay, get some cool like off-roading mud flaps things or arches, whatever the hell they called. I don't know what the fuck they're called. Get some cool of those off-roading, you know, arches to go over, and this thing would be pretty dope. Okay, now you do have the convertible, and it looks like you don't have any doors, so just top down, just chop it off, fuck the top. Get those cool arches. I mean, like, flare them, fucking flare them way back like a dune buggy. This thing would be pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So he's on the right track. He seems to have got lost in his little kid alter ego, but maybe it's a Halloween car, maybe it's a prop car, I don't know, just kind of on the sidewalk, unless he just thinks he's that VIP. Fuck it, I'm Brittany, bitch. I'm parked. I mean, he doesn't want it to get jacked, of course, you know, park it way out in the boonies. So it's not the worst thing I've seen. Okay, it's bad, don't get me wrong, but it looks like it was a joke, obviously, and it could be a prop car or something, and I actually kind of like it, part of it. Again, wouldn't drive it, wouldn't own it, but could be fun. You can make it into something fun. Saw this on Twitter. Suck toes or die trying. Okay, not much to say here. Sucking toes is nasty in my opinion. Eating ass is one thing, sucking toes is another, and that's all. That's the Drew Peacock fact of the day. So shitty, had to go chase it down. Okay, well, I don't even know what to think about it. Like, I'm trying to think of a color scheme it's going for. None really come to mind. Okay, I don't know why you'd have yellow taillights. This is in America. Okay, America. You got Toyo sprayed like on the tires and stuff. You know, whatever. If you're doing tire lettering, you know, do your own business. Okay, if you want to put spray painted on, go ahead. More to you. Okay. Yellow taillights, I feel like that's illegal. Okay, I feel like that is illegal, but I don't know. Maybe it's because he doesn't have these yellowed out too, that where it's illegal. Yellow and blue, goldish blue. It's just so like childish looking. It's like a Nerf gun. I mean, that's like one thing I always like, not repeat, but like everything just looks like a toy when people do this cheap shit like this. Like just, oh, let's just paint the trim blue and gold. Like, it'll look good. Yellow brake calipers, fuck it. Exhaust tip, all right. Blue windshield wiper and blue little cargo thing up here. Cool, whatever. As you can see, it's a family, so I don't think this guy's in the car scene or anything like that. I doubt he goes to fucking meets and shit, so it is what it is, man. Have fun with your car. You know, I'd rather people have fun with their car than drive the same boring piece of shit as like everyone else, so there's always that. The riddled with bullets look is unique. All right, I'm assuming that it's gonna be riddled with bullets. Oh, look, wait, those aren't. Okay. What? Okay, first of all, I don't know if that's riddled with bullets. He has knee pads as like fender flares. What is going on here? Okay, I don't know what those are. I don't know if that's supposed to be bullets. Doesn't really look like bullets. He's got pool noodles sticking off the back. And then he's got these fake exhaust, you know, gimmicky, you know, that's just shit he bought and made to look like that. That's not something that you ordered on Amazon. That's like titled fake exhaust. That's some weird shit from Home Depot. What is going on here? He's got 5 smokestacks on the hood like the goddamn Titanic. He's got fucking vortex generators just sprinkled on his roof, all crooked. He has this weird paint / wrap. He has a clone trooper mask on the back. Like, I was like, when I saw the clone trooper mask and I was like, okay, it's a Star Wars themed car, but that's the only thing of Star Wars that I see. These pool noodles, I don't know, that's not from Star Wars. That's not from the Phantom Menace, you know, the fucking best one. I'm joking, but I don't. Is it one of those? What are those called? The races in the Phantom Menace? There's no way it's one of those. That would be cool though. That's an idea right there. Write that down. But I don't know, this is horrible. I can't believe someone actually did this. I can't believe someone like actually drives like this on their hood too, and this on their back. Like, I feel like this is a ticket waiting to happen. You're blocking your rear window, which I don't think is illegal, but you're blocking your front. So what the fuck? All right, enough of this. My head's hurting. Badass in quotation marks. So I'm assuming, yep, here we go, badass. So we got a little Toyota. We got the hood scoop. Got the little, oh, okay. So this looks like it might be for a company of some sort. I wonder what this says down here. I can't read that. So I'm assuming this is for some sort of company. I can't read what this says. It almost looks like, you know, an MMA music thing. I don't know, but fucking MMA with a little Toyota hatchback like this. Come Hood scoop, little fake antenna thing right there, when you have the real antenna one right there. It looks like some shitty anime car, okay? It's got some weather guards, of course. Gotta have the weather guards. You see why I don't like weather guards? They're on every shitty car out there, okay? If you want to just stand out from the shitty cars, don't put weather guards, okay? You have this fucking crappy looking wide body kit, which just looks like it's absolutely homemade and horrendous. Your car's on stock ride height, which isn't a bad thing. But the fitment is just god awful. When you got aftermarket wheels and tires to go with it, it looks like he's going for the stretch. Like, I mean, yeah, I could pick apart at this for hours. I'm not going to because my throat hurts, but this thing is fucking horrendous. Big wing, some random fucking anime flares right here. Oh my god. Okay, so the license plate is not from this country, so I'm glad it's not at least here near me. So let the other country have fun with it. I don't think this needs explained. Well, that sentence was very poorly shit. Okay. I think it does need explaining because I see a few things. It looks like buried treasure to me. I'm just gonna go with that. It's buried treasure, okay? It's a pirate ship boat buried treasure. That's what I'm getting from it. This looks like a dead guy up here, like a skeleton, and I see clocks and wheels and gold, so it looks like buried treasure. It might be some sort of weird, Mad Max type looking vehicle too, because I see some chains and some guns. It looks like I don't know. It looks like maybe if Mad Max got like 200 headshots or something like that and he unlocked the skin. I mean, I see pirates. Maybe you see something else. Comment down below what you see. I see pirates though, okay? And I don't see any swords or anything, and I see bullets, but like I just think of buried treasure when I look at this car, so maybe that's what he was going for. Truck nuts are out. Truck demon babies are in. These things need fucking commas, man. Get your grammar right. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, not much to say there, okay? It's a demon baby hanging from a truck. Okay, it's, Halloween's coming up. I'll let this one slide, okay? Don't need to go call the police on this one, okay? The Drew Peacock Army will sit back and relax on this one. Let this one slide. November 1st comes. That better be a fucking elf. That better be a goddamn elf. Fuck Thanksgiving. We skip straight to Christmas. Alright, let's just see. We'll go 2 bonus ones right here, okay? Let's just look. Someone has impeccable taste. I saw this one earlier. I wanted to look at it. Daily Dervin. Send nudes. Alright, yeah, okay. So douchebag of the year goes to this guy right here. I hate seeing daily driven on fucking Hondas, okay? It better be daily driven if it's a goddamn Honda. I'm not saying this is a Honda, okay? I fucking can't tell by this picture. I'm just seeing a wheel right here, okay? Nice wheel, too. I like those wheels. But I always saw that when I used to go to college. Daily driven. Daily driven. Like, dude, you're in a Honda. No one expects you not to daily drive that. You can't say that's a weekend warrior. That's like pulling out your play shoes on the weekend to stunting. What are you doing? So, I don't know. There's a little sidetrack right here. But daily Dr. Ven. Send nudes. And send nudes, man, that's just like the most obnoxious thing you can do. I can only imagine, like I said, like I always use this example, but imagine hitting on a chick and then she gets to your car and it's like, send nudes, like I'm a fucking douchebag. Like, come on, man. It's just so douchey. It's just 2 pet peeves right there. Daily driven on a Honda and send nudes. If they're both on a Honda, I'm gonna lose my shit. Toyota racing development at its best. There you go. 2x4 wing. I've been thinking about doing it, guys, and this guy has set the blueprint. He set the example of what I want to do. Now I would actually probably carve into it a little bit, give it a little bit of an edge, get that nice sleek look, but this guy just said Roblox that bitch. So, and it says if you ain't first, you're last, and I think we can all agree with that one. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end that video right here. What a beautiful way to end this video. Beautiful racing stripes with a fucking 2x4 wing. If you guys enjoyed this video, click a thumbs up. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a cool minute. Like I said, I've been sick and I am trying to get better because the transmission is coming on Monday and I'm gonna have that bitch done by Tuesday morning. I don't give a fuck about work, okay? I'm staying up until that bitch is ready for me to drive my tired ass to work. I'm finishing it, okay? I've gone 2 months without it. I cannot go any longer, okay? I am blue balls the fuck out of a V8, so gonna finish it. It's coming on Monday. I'm very excited. I got my drive shaft and my clutch today, so I am very excited. Go buy some stickers, support the cause, join the Peacock flock so that way you guys can flock to the videos after you click that notification bell, right after you subscribe. Drop a comment, let me know what you want to see next. I'm probably gonna be spamming a lot of posts this weekend. That might be good to you guys unless you guys hate my guts. In that case, then don't watch them. But I'm gonna probably be spamming because I need to get caught up. I'm kind of behind and my numbers are kind of down right now, so gotta get caught up. So expect a good handful of videos. If I don't post, then riot. I want to see riots worldwide. Okay, so until next video, peace.